Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the quest about the Winter Frost Week 5. Play any instrument, this one. And to complete this quest, you need to play any instrument that you have, like maybe piano or maybe flute. And usually you can get any instrument from the rewards after you complete any quest. But if you don't have any instrument, you can still complete this quest by just go to the art street and then just go to the piano square. This one, just go to this area at the art street and then just play the piano on here if you don't have any instrument, like this, and then just play randomly like this, and then your quest will be complete like this, and then you can claim the rewards like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.